Fog in most of our counties in our area this morning. Allison, I guess that means it's pretty cold out there.
It is. So we're seeing temperatures at freezing or below across the area. You can see in that image behind the aquarium some of that fogginess that's right over the Tennessee River. And that's really where we're seeing the fog across the region, is in our river and stream valleys. Here are the counties that are highlighted that are under the freezing fog advisory. So we have everybody in Tennessee, Cherokee County in Cherokee County in North Carolina, and then our counties in northeast Alabama. In Georgia, you're technically not under an advisory, but the National Weather Service went ahead and sent out a statement saying, hey, heads up, there could be freezing fog there too. So if you're going to be traveling along any of our rivers, so the Tennessee River, the Hiwassee River, any of those creeks or streams, be aware that there probably is going to be a period of time with reduced visibility due to that fog. You also could be getting some frost on your car while you're driving through that. Also the potential for some frost on the roads, particularly for those bridges that are crossing over, which are those elevated roadways. Now, temperature-wise, you can see why we're talking about that freezing fog potential. Chattanooga, Dalton, both at freezing, but look at all these other places that are in the 20s. So it is certainly a cold start this morning. You want to bundle up, grab that winter coat as you're heading out the door. 27 degrees currently in Blue Ridge and 28 in Cleveland. Those freezing fog advisories are in place until 10 a.m. Eastern Time, 9 a.m. Central Time. Now, the rest of the day today is really going to be pretty seasonable. So by the time we get to 3 o'clock in the afternoon, it'll be partly cloudy and 55 degrees. We just have to get through that river fog first this morning. Even for your Sunday brunch and lunch, or if you're going to church, temperatures will still be in the 40s. So 49 and cool at noon. I'll call it mostly sunny at that point, and then we'll have more clouds building in a little bit later in the day. So 52 degrees at 6 o'clock, and then at 9 p.m. we could have a couple of little spots of a few sprinkles. The setup right now for the day today, though, there's not going to be that much moisture. So I'll kind of pinpoint which areas could see a few of those sprinkles. First, let's look at our satellite and radar combination, though, because we're really looking at clear skies. So where we have that fog, yes, you have that reduced visibility, but for everybody else, you can probably look up and still see those stars this morning. Here's that winter weather system. It's about to exit out of New England area. Then we have another system to our south. In fact, I'm going to show you a look at our upper level setup so you can kind of see which areas that we're watching. So here's one here in Texas. You can see we've got a little bit of that circle around with the blue color. And then our second system is up here to the north. So these two are going to kind of merge and move into our area, which is going to bring us that chance of a few of those sprinkles. Now, the main moisture is going to stay to the south of us for that rainfall with the southern system, and then to the north of us. So we're just kind of squeezed in between. Then we have a third system that's going to be dropping down on Monday. What is that going to do? Well, it's really going to be reinforcing that colder air. So we are going to be talking about blustery conditions on Monday and cool temperatures. So heads up, you'll certainly want the winter coat this morning, but especially throughout the day on Monday. So timing everything out, here's that look at those mostly sunny skies for the first part of the day today, becoming partly cloudy, just some light wind from the southwest at about 5 miles per hour. Stray little sprinkle change. You can see that one little green dot there for late afternoon in our Georgia counties, but otherwise that main rainfall staying to the south of us. You can see that south of Atlanta, and here comes that northern system. So again, Sunday night, just a couple little sprinkles up along the Cumberland Plateau, then along those higher elevations for our eastern mountain counties for early on Monday morning. I only have the chances at 10% for today and tomorrow. As that colder air comes down, we could see a few little spitting snowflakes and flurries there in Monroe County, Cherokee County on Monday, but otherwise there's really just not that much moisture with this. Much colder temperatures though on Monday. Highs are going to be kind of struggling to get to that 42 to 45 degree mark, but at least later in the day on Monday you will have some sunshine. So that's some good news across the area. Today, what we're expecting again is that mix of sun and clouds. 57 for your high in Chattanooga and in Dalton, 55 in Cleveland, and 54 in Athens. Then overnight tonight, so 37 in Chattanooga, 29 in Altamont, and 34 for that low in Murphy. Here's the full 7-day forecast. So 10% chance today and tomorrow. Again, that's just very light little drizzle. If you get anything, it's going to be less than 1/10 of an inch. I would still do your outdoor plans if you need to go Christmas shopping, put up some decorations, pick out that Christmas tree at a farm today. You can do that, no problem. Relatively dry week ahead. Just Monday and Tuesday will definitely be colder days. Michelle?
All right. Thank you.